So unfortunately, during the valve cover gasket work and spark plugs, I accidentally probably leaned on that hose and broke the plastic nipple over here. You can see my very failed attempt of trying to drill and tap a new brass hose fitting. Just comes off. So coolant is leaking everywhere. Just got a new coolant reservoir received in the mail. So let's replace it and make the car drive well again. Perfect. Connected to nowhere. Perfect. We have two hoses down here. Big one, small one. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first unbolt it, so I'll be able to tilt it a little bit. And then I'll start disconnecting the hoses. There's like a little tab over here it sticks into. I'll try and grab the big radiator hose, pinch it a little bit. Come on. Okay, so to take the fan clutch off, I will be using that tool, which is a Mercedes-Benz fan clutch wrench set, which I bought from FCP Euro. It will make the job very easy. Yeah, and I hope you guys are able to see, but there it is, the wrench with the holes holding the water pump bolts, and right before it, the other wrench goes over here. So you have both wrenches. So that's the new fan clutch installed already. It's basically only 3 5mm bolts. Take them off, take the old fan clutch out, put the new one in, tighten the new bolts. Make sure you keep the orientations of the fan exactly as they are. You don't want to reverse the process and instead of sucking air, pushing air, or the opposite, I'm not sure. One thing I wanted to show you guys is, you can see how I can spin that by hand rather easily. It's not easy, but I can spin it. The new one, it's very hard to spin. Like I need to put a lot of force, so I think that's a good sign. The part is different. You can see these fins are a little bit bigger on the original one. Obviously it's a China-made one, it's not original. I hope it's fine. The holes do align, so I think it should be fine, but only time will tell. So that's it, very easy process. So luckily for me, I have the original operator's manual. And over here at page 271, you can see the layout of the pulley belt, which is identical to what I have over here. I just confirmed it. So that will be really helpful in case you forgot how the belt goes. There you go. The groove is not perfectly aligned. There it is. So I will try and start her up before putting on the fan clutch, but I don't want to put it on and take it off twice. Let's see how it goes. So after jacking the car up, removing the under panel, you can see here that red little screw. Turn left and water will start coming out from that hole. So I attached a little extension hose. You can see right over here into the drain pan, so I won't make a huge mess. Let's see how it goes. Yep, water is starting to come out. Open it up. You can see water is coming out from here. And I'll just release the cap. Water should start flowing. Yep. there it goes. Water looks really good actually. Oh, let's make sure I'm not blocking the way. Yeah, the water looks really good. It's very clear over here. Nope, let's just let it drain. So after doing a quick round around the block, the temperature, and I've been waiting here for a few minutes already. The highest it got was 86 degrees, and that's a live reading from the engine control unit. So I think we can call that a success. You can literally feel how much air is coming out with the new fan clutch. It's really noticeable. And I want to show you another cool thing. I don't know if you guys can see here the temperature gauge. Look, it's a little bit above the 80. And before doing the fan clutch job, while I was standing still, the temperature would usually get up to the 100 mark in, you know, stop and go traffic. And once I got into the highway, it will drop down back to around that spot. But now it's just standing over here, even when I'm not moving at all. And when I drove around the block earlier, it was standing right above, I mean, it was standing right on the 80 mark. So the engine runs cooler, so that's cool.